Hello everyone, welcome back with another new video, poricha curry, which is otherwise known as Mutton Chukka. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for all my future video notifications. For this I have taken 1 kg of mutton, washed it well, drained it well. This is going to be boneless mutton. Along with this I am adding around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I will be adding 1 more teaspoon of ginger garlic paste at the end. Now I am gonna cook this meat along with some water and salt until it becomes slightly tender. Adding around half a liter of water, that is 500 ml. Let it cook for around 2 to 3 whistles under pressure. So after 2 to 3 whistles, I have taken it out, drained the water completely, adding this again into the pressure cooker. Along with this I am adding around 100 ml of curd, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt according to your need, and the mutton masala. We can add around 2 teaspoons of mutton masala. If you are not having the homemade masala, you can definitely buy it from outside in Everest or some other brands. Also adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder, you can definitely adjust it according to your spice level. Mix it well, and this has to cook in the pressure cooker for 2 to 3 whistles again. If you have some doubts in my recipe, do check out my description box. I have given the detailed ingredients in the description box. Now the gravy has come to a boil. Let me close the cooker and let it cook under pressure for 2 to 3 whistles. Now it's cooked. I have transferred it to another pan. It's a non-stick pan. I also added around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, allowing the gravy to reduce well so that the mutton pieces will be really dry and it will be really tasty. Now it has reduced well. Let me wait for some more time and it will be done. So yeah, that is perfectly done. Do tell me how did this simple recipe turn out to be in the comment section. Also suggest me for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe.